देख लो सीधा हो ना। नमस्कार, वेलकम टू दिस एडिशन of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, repairs of electrical collective upgrades electrical drive of old dynamic balancing machine. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant takes measures to strengthen road safety inside plant. And Fire Service Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant renders invaluable service towards the safety needs of the company and community. Now the news in details. The committed employee of repairs of electrical of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant have successfully upgraded the electrical drive of old dynamic balancing machine of SOPS RS Mechanical. It may be noted that the dynamic balancing machine of SOPS RSM could not be operated properly as the selection switch arrangement of the job rotator comprising of a slip ring motor had become defective. Due to technological obsolescence, spare for the drive system could not be arranged. After a series of brainstorming sessions, the repairs of electrical collective planned to upgrade the electrical drive. A concrete plan for the replacement of existing drive system was chalked out. Thereafter, the slip ring were sorted to operate the motor as a cage motor, and one 55 kilowatt variable frequency drive was introduced. This modification of the job rotator was carried out with the complete in-house resources. This remarkable feat was achieved under the guidance of Mr. Pravir Kumar Das, GMIC and HOD of Repairs of Electrical. The team that accomplished the job includes Mr. N. Bhuiya, Senior Manager, Mr. H. Topo, Master Technician, Mr. P.K. Kar, Master Technician and Mr. S.K. Mohanta, Master Technician. With this endeavor, the Repairs of Electrical Collective has once again exhibited its technical expertise as well as its determination to help the plant face the challenging circumstances successfully. In an initiative to strengthen road safety and caution the road safety rules violators, the Safety Engineering Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has commenced a massive campaign of organizing surprise checks at different places inside the plant under the guidance of Mr. P.K. Das, ED Works. Separate squads comprising senior officers of different departments as well as representatives of CISF are conducting these checks. These checks are being organized to make the commuters remain alert while driving and ensuring complete road safety inside the plant. On 16 July, surprise check was conducted near Special Plate Plant and Central Store. Mr. R.K. Dani, CGM Marketing and Mr. G.K. Ghosh, CGM Purchase jointly led the campaign. The departmental safety officers from RCM and Instrumentation Department, representatives from Material Management Department, Safety Engineering Department and Personnel Department took part in the surprise check. Mr. Sanat Sahu, GM Instrumentation and DSO coordinated the event. 27 persons were counselled on the spot. Employees, contract labor as well as drivers of various vehicles found to be violating the road safety rules were penalized. The Fire Service Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant have left no stone unturned to respond to the safety needs of the company and the community. The multi-skilled personnel of Fire Service Department, known for its alertness and effectiveness, has been instrumental in rescuing snakes and controlling beehives at plant as well as township, in addition to the role of fire hazard management. On 16 July, a python was rescued from MSDS 5 area while another cobra was rescued from the area near the traffic gate of RSP. The fire service department personnel, after rescuing the snakes, handed them over to the forest department of Government of Odisha. It is worth mentioning here that the fire service department has also been playing the role of frontline warriors in the battle against COVID-19. The department has been utilizing all its resources, including fire tenders and jetting machine, to safeguard the plant as well as the steel township by undertaking massive sanitation drive. With this, we come to end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.